Oh my god, that sauce is fire.
You wanna know his secret?
What's up guys? Welcome back to the Cody Project. On today's video, we're gonna try something a little bit different. If you can't tell, we're in my kitchen, and on today's video, we're gonna do a review on a hot sauce making kit. Yeah, I know, it's a little bit different from my cars and tool type thing, but you know what? I feel like doing something different today, so stick with me and enjoy. Alright guys, like I said, I got the Deluxe hot sauce making kit. The company is actually called Grow and Make, and they do crafting kits for every occasion. That was pretty cool. My wife bought it for me for Father's Day, so I figured I'd share it with you guys. Let's see what's in the box. Alright guys, so looks like in the top we got some spices. Cool. What else we got? Oh, actually there's some peppers in there too. Nice. We got some more peppers. Looks like we have some distilled white vinegar. Awesome. Looks like we got some bottles to put it in. Came with this cool little, I don't know, thing. Alright, cool. Some chipotle peppers. Looks like some more bottles. Funnel. Some apple cider vinegar. My bad. 3 more bottles. Looks like a scientist kit up in here. Oh yeah, and looks like the directions. Cool. Let's check them out. Looks like some other stuff. Alright guys, so I opened up the instructions. They also had another bag in here. They actually have sanitizer and gloves. And when I opened the instructions up, it says you have to sanitize everything before we start. So, looks like I need to sanitize all the bottles. You have to do some prep work. You actually have to pick what you want. It has recipes of all the sauces, tells you the amounts, exactly what to do. We're gonna do it, but first I gotta get ready. Alright, be right back. Alright guys, so before you start, you have to use the sanitation powder, half gallon of water, and a half teaspoon in the water. Put the funnel, bottles, and lids and let sit for 2 minutes. Alright, let's continue. Alright guys, so we're gonna let the bottles and everything air dry. And next step is to pick what recipe we want to use. So, you just go through the line, pick which recipe you want to use. Then you're gonna pick out the peppers, the powders. It tells you everything you need. And also you need some kind of blender. And it gives you gloves. Alright, so the peppers already look destemmed, and they said you can also use the seeds. So, they said 1 pack of peppers will do all 3 bottles. So we'll put those in there. I'll go ahead and put the seeds too. Get a little more kick. I'm gonna do half a cup of onion. And what they say for this? Let's look. 3 to 6 tablespoons of tomato. 1, 2, 3. We'll see what that does. Oh, actually, and the whole thing of vinegar. Apple cider vinegar. Alright, I got that mixed up, and now you gotta add a cup of boiling water. To the cup of boiling water. Then we're gonna blend it up one more time. Alright, we let the boiling water sit. Now we're gonna add the spices. Basically they say, add whatever you like. They don't really tell you what to add. So, we're gonna put some spices. See what the hell happens. Alright, we finished all the spices. We like the way it tastes. Now you gotta pour it in the pan and get it to a boil. We'll speed it up, but we'll get it to a boil. Then you gotta let it sit for 20 minutes. Then you can bottle. See you in a second. Put them in the fridge, let them set for at least 12 hours, 2 weeks for best results. Alright, we'll come back and see what they taste like. Alright guys, so I just finished the kit. It was a lot harder than I thought. I mean, I didn't read the instructions before because I wanted to do the whole open box, you know, like just walk into it like I've never seen it before because that's what I did. But if you do get this kit, just make sure you read the instructions. It's a lot more work than I thought. You do need whole onions, tomatoes, you can use carrots, cilantro. Honestly, it's endless. And you can make it as good as you want. And the kit's pretty awesome. It's a little more work than I thought, but overall, I give it, shoot, I think it's an 8. It's fun. Be cool to give to your mom or dad or brother, sister, whatever. Cool gift. But like always guys, like, comment, share, do what you do. Let me know what you want me to do next. Thanks. See you next time.